As the pace of industry accelerates, maintaining fast and efficient operations is vital. But it's not only speed that's essential, so is maximizing safety. Introducing higher performing, high-speed doors from ASSA ABLOY. The new HS9120G, designed to perform in a wide range of internal applications. And the new HS9120GHY, designed specifically for hygienic applications. Both offer the performance you need to meet increasing operational demands, all in an aesthetic and modern door design. Both doors come with a highly reliable safety light curtain that's capable of sensing and responding to even the smallest of objects. This light curtain covers the total width of the door up to a height of 1,600 millimeters. So if anything is in the way, the door's closing is stopped immediately and opened. Each high-speed door is equipped with a breakaway and automatic reset system, so the curtain will reintroduce itself after a crash, reducing downtime and maintenance. In addition, the soft bottom profile has no rigid parts, so it'll give way should an obstruction occur in the line of closing. An optional safety feature is spot on, our fully touchless opening system that ensures easier entry and more hygienic operation. And to further increase hygiene, an optional new slanted stainless steel enclosure is available for the door's control unit, which prevents corrosion or contamination. It can be mounted flush to the wall or with a 50mm gap behind to ensure easy cleaning. The standard door curtain is available in a range of colors, together with windows and vision panels to increase daylight and visibility levels. Both doors also feature an optional new door curtain, which provides a high level of acoustic insulation and thermal properties, helping reduce noise levels and energy loss. This optional curtain is designed with a smooth backside and an insulating foam front side, available in 2 colors and with a U value of 2.94. With the new HS9120G and HS9120GHY from ASSA ABLOY, you simply get a high-speed, high-safety, and high-efficiency door you can always count on. For more, visit ASSAABLOYEntrance.com.